Text to video AI tools are getting better every single day, and this tool might be one of the best ones yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool to create amazing videos. Just look at this, videos from just simple text prompt. All you do is enter text prompt like this. So look at this. Simple prompt, and look at the quality of these videos. So before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so what is this tool? This tool is called Runway, and here is the URL, runwayml.com. And there are a lot of AI tools that this website has. So text to image, image to image, infinite images. But what we're gonna focus on is their text to video, and they used to have Gen 1, but they just released Gen 2. So let me log into my dashboard and show you the magic of this AI tool. So I'm gonna log in. Here is my account. I'm logged into my dashboard, and when you click on home, here are all the popular AI tools. So here's the Gen 1, which was video to video, but this is the new magic, text to videos. You're gonna just enter a simple text prompt, and guess what? It will create a video for you. And there are a lot of other AI tools that you can, image to image, text to image generation, removing backgrounds. So we're gonna try this text to video tool. So click on this, and then this is where you can enter your simple prompt. Now, a couple of things I wanna mention. So you can enter your text prompt here, or if you scroll down, here are all the different videos or ideas basically. So for example, you can use this. When you click on this, so it's gonna use that prompt. So you can create a prompt from scratch, like your own prompt, or if you're feeling stuck or you need ideas for inspiration, just click on any prompt, and then it will, or any, sorry, not prompt, but any image, and it will show you astronaut tripping through the space. So I'm just gonna say happy dog in the rain. So I'm just gonna use that simple prompt, and then click on generate, and then give it a few seconds. It will generate a video for you, and I'll show you in a second. And boom, look at this. So it took about 35 seconds and the video is ready. Look at the quality of this video. And obviously you can download this and use it in your project, on your other social media accounts. You can also rate this to help this AI tool get better for future projects. So a couple of things, right? One, you can use text-based prompts. Two, you could use, let me refresh this. You can also remix existing ideas, right? But there's a third way you can use this text to video Gen 2 tool from Runway. What's that? You can also use, if you click here, you can also use images as ideas. So you can use images. So for example, if I wanted to use this image, or you can upload anything from your computer, or this image. So I actually did this earlier. So I used this image of people, let me make it bigger. So it's people playing soccer, indoor soccer, and my simple prompt was indoor soccer playing, something like that. And then I generated the video. I'll show you what that video was. So 3 ways you can use this tool. Number 1, you can enter a simple text prompt. Number 2, you can remix or use one of these ideas. And number 3, you can also use images as resources and use images to create videos, right? Now, it saves everything that it generated, it saves it in your account. So let me go to that, and I wanna show you where all of my videos are. So let me go back to my account, or my lab, I believe. Here you go, my assets, and then here are all the videos that I've generated so far. So I can go back and download anything that I want. So here's the one that I created based on that image. So I uploaded that image, and my prompt was people playing soccer. And look at this, really like interesting video that I made. It made. So cool. This is the AI tools for video generation from text prompts. They are getting better every single day, and to me this is one of the most exciting one of the best ones so far. runwayml.com. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.